Across industries, organizations are already moving fast with AI and software development. Let's look at two examples that show what's possible when AI becomes part of the development strategy. Mercedes-Benz, one of the world's automotive leader, has always been known for engineering excellence. As customer expectations continue to evolve, so did the company. Behind these modern in-car experiences, Mercedes-Benz team had developed millions of lines of code to power its infotainment, comfort, and safety features. As their digital footprint grew, so did their development teams and code base. But this scale introduced complexity. A scattered technology stack that created silos and slowed collaboration across the company. That was the challenge Mercedes-Benz needed to solve. To address these challenges, the company turned to a set of modern development platforms and AI-powered tools that streamlined collaboration and accelerated software delivery. If you'd like to unlock the specific tools Mercedes-Benz adopted and how they use them to unify workflows and boost developer productivity, you can find this inside our full Udemy course. Check the description below for the link. The impact was significant. 30 to 50% increase in development speed, with 1 million lines of AI-powered code generated in the first year. Code quality improved through context-aware suggestions, and more than 2 million lines of AI-assisted code were accepted. And the developer experience transformed. With 90% of source code hosted centrally, collaboration becomes easier, complex tasks simplified, cognitive load reduced, developers save more than 30 minutes every week. Mercedes-Benz didn't just adopt new tools, it redefined how software development happens at scale. The result? Speed, quality, and innovation. Our second example takes us to Egypt, where the National Organization for Social Insurance, also known as NOSI. They faced a challenge familiar to many large institutions, modernizing legacy systems to meet growing business demands. NOSI is a government entity responsible for managing and delivering social insurance services to millions of citizens. Like many organizations with decades of history, NOSI relies on COBOL for its core applications, a language that has powered business systems for more than 65 years. These codebases are massive, and with fewer COBOL programmers every year, modernization has become an urgent priority. But modernization wasn't simple. NOSI needed to ensure scalability and efficiency, yet they were dealing with a complex application environment, database migration risks, a heavy dependence on external contractors, pressing scalability and modernization needs, and alongside significant efficiency gaps in existing COBOL applications. To tackle these challenges, NOSI launched a pilot program using a specialized AI-powered modernization solution designed specifically for mainframe and COBOL environments. In the full Udemy course, you can unlock the exact tool they used and how it supported documentation, analysis, and code transformation during the modernization process. If you'd like access, check the description below for the link. The results were remarkable. NOSI developers increased overall productivity and dramatically reduced the time required to understand, maintain, and update their applications. This freed them to focus on delivering new functionality and accelerating modernization efforts. Here's what that looked like in numbers. 94% reduction in time to analyze superfluous COBOL code. 79% reduction in time to understand complex applications. Code analysis dropped from 8 hours to just 30 minutes. And application understanding went from 24 hours to 5. We have seen the power of AI applied to legacy modernization in software development. Next, we'll move into practical advice on how your organization can start its own AI journey in software development.